Hey, you made it. Thanks a lot for coming to my page, checking me out. Finally able to get my page up so you can see some of the things that I'm into, some of my projects, also some of my philosophies. What you're looking at now is the landing page for Multiboost Gold, which is a SEO, GEO entrepreneurial tool that you can use for creating content, emails, copywriting. Like I say, it's a tool, but you can work with it very comprehensively when you are direct with your questions or with your explanations of the product, and you have to add a lot of supplemental information. But the end result, what you will receive, is very useful. So there's going to be a link underneath this video for the Multiboost free trial version, which is the purple version. There are no limitations. I'm not worried about your data because I'm a very big fan on privacy. And I'm also a very huge fan of prompting responsibly because I've been doing prompting for a number of years now. Started out with bot press, actually putting together chatbots when that was the craze back in the old days, I guess you could say. Combining that with Python and then using GPT in the early days, as we all know, that was very much a struggle. But if you understand the concepts of neuro-linguistic programming, you can get a lot done. And even back in those days, I was doing quite a bit back then that people are utilizing GPT and generative AI now. But that's another story for another time. But at the end of this snippet here, I'm going to put a small LM Notebook video on Multiboost, the free version, just to give you a general idea. And going back to my landing page, as you can see, it's very minimal. All of the bullet points are in questions or as questions. The person reading can click and the question and the answer will show up. I did it in this particular fashion because landing pages is just too much information. It's too much slop. It's just too much. By the time you get down to the bottom of the page, you're asleep and you don't even want to get the product. So this is designed also with AI search engines in mind, because as AI does its query, it looks for things within a structure and it has to have a certain type of order. And especially when your headlines are with as questions, that is also a flag that allows it to look a little deeper into your content or your page or your blog. And another very important aspect is to maybe look into using object notation with JavaScript. I'll probably post another video on this page as well. This should be a tool every content creator, blog writer needs to have to strengthen their chances of getting their material seen on the net, because it's going to get difficult. We're at the beginning stages, but it's very necessary that you know how to arm your website with the necessary information in the proper structure so that the AI can take it effortlessly and push you to the top of the rankings. So stay tuned to my page. Come back every now and then to check out what's going on. I'm not much of a content creator, but I do keep my ear to the pulse of the digital streets. I've been in this field for quite a while. And in the meantime, thanks for stopping by. And I hope you enjoy my webpage. You can get in contact with me. My links are floating around on my page, either on Substack or let's see, Instagram also as well. Multishop Tech. Connect. We'll see you later. Have a good time.